हेलो स्टूडेंट। इस वीडियो में देखेंगे हम साइंस चैप्टर 1 के 5 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। आइडेंटिफाई डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. So first is the double displacement, as H and Na gets exchanged and the precipitation is of NaCl. Second is the Fe is more reactive than the Cu. That's why Fe replaces Cu. So it's a displacement reaction. Second, mention with a reaction and reason the color changes observed when silver chloride exposed to sunlight. So this is a silver chloride exposed to the sunlight. It will form the silver and chlorine glass. Yes. So color, white color changes to a gray color of a silver due to a decomposition of silver chloride. Second reaction, copper powder is strongly heated in the presence of oxygen. Copper with oxygen in presence of heat gives a copper oxide. The brown color of this copper changes to black color of the copper oxide. Third, a piece of zinc dropped in a copper sulfate solution. Zinc plus copper sulfate gives zinc sulfate plus copper. It's again a displacement reaction, and the blue color of a copper sulfate changes to colorless. Third question, what is a redox reaction? When a magnesium ribbon burns in air with a dazzling flame and forms white ash, is magnesium oxidized or reduced, and why? The reaction is magnesium with oxygen, magnesium oxide. First we will write the definition of redox reaction. The reaction in which oxidation, loss of electron, and reduction, gain of electron takes place simultaneously are called the redox reaction. This is reaction. Magnesium is getting oxidized because it losing electron to form Mg2 plus. So the no charge Mg2 plus. So charge increased by 2. That means it loses electron. That means oxidation of magnesium takes place. Oxygen is getting electron to form O2 minus, therefore it is getting reduced. The charge on oxygen is 0. Now it is a 2 minus. It gains electron. The charge decreases. 0 minus 2. Charge decreases. It gains electron. Gain electron is the reduction. So magnesium oxidation and a reduction of the oxygen. Define corrosion. Corrosion in a process in which metals are deteriorated by action of air, moisture, chemical, etc. How will you recognize corrosion of silver? It's a third question. Answer is silver gets black. Second is, what is corrosion of iron called? Rusting. Why corrosion of iron is a serious problem? Because it causes destruction of car bodies, bridges, railings, etc. How can we prevent corrosion of iron? By painting, alloying, greasing, etc. Write one example of each of decomposition reaction carried out with the help of first electricity, the electrolysis of water, H2O decompose into H2 plus O2. Second, with the heat, calcium carbonate, calcium oxide plus oxygen. In presence of light, silver bromide, silver plus bromine. Second, which of the following statement is correct and why? Copper can displace silver from silver nitrate. Silver can displace copper from copper sulfate solution. So statement A is correct because copper can displace silver from AgNO3, silver nitrate, as copper is more reactive than the silver. So copper is more reactive than the silver. Reaction is, in the reaction copper will displace the silver. So it is a copper nitrate plus silver. Thank you.